Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you permissions, exceptions, marking block websites pop-up windows in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned here. So go to this and click this, and we have to press the three bar icons that is here, and I have clicked and entered the settings option. See this. Now we will work with the privacy and security. That's why we will click this and scrolling in below side, then we will get the things. So here the story, then sorry, not here. See this. We will work with the block pop-up window. So before that we will click this, that means allow or marking this, then we have to enter the exceptions. So click here. Now we want to do any kinds of thing like Facebook or something else. Sorry, you can specify which websites are allowed to open pop-up windows. Type the exact address of the site you want to allow and then click allow. So see, so one thing we will see here in the thing has been sorry, paste. Where is the paste? Is there? Haven't. See here the paste option. So now we have to click the allow. See, when we click the allow and the link of web address or website address has been entered the box and the status has been allowed. So now we have to press the save changes. So click here. See, it has been cleared. So now again we have checked the thing has been okay or not. So exceptions, see, this is the thing. So in this way we can allow these settings about open pop-up windows. So in this way we can do our problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.